I'm the homeowner, and I'm coming to you and I'm wondering, all right, I'm about to go through this massive renovation. This guy's going to show up with all of his buddies. What do I need to be thinking about as a homeowner? I have a homeowner's policy already.
Yeah.
Does it do anything for this mess that they're making, or do I have to think about it differently?
Yeah, absolutely. So, you want to have that conversation about increasing the coverage on your policy, okay, to take care of the
new value of the home.
Exactly.
Is that what it is?
Exactly.
So if I'm putting in a $100,000 kitchen and bathroom renovation, that's what I'm thinking about, is the increased sort of equity in my house and stuff that I've got?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Okay. Am I going to add on something to say, I'm going to do some extra coverage on Charlie, or do I not have to worry about that?
You would have liability coverage there, but that's really where it goes back to, getting that insurance. You've planned, you've hired a general contractor, you've seen his insurance, so you know that the construction, the people that he has on site are going to be his responsibility.
Ask for the policy. Don't be afraid as a homeowner to ask the question. Person tells you that they're covered. Look, we all like to, believe somebody, but ask for that, that certificate.
I know a lot of Silvas. These guys, they're all slippery. The windows arrive, they're in boxes, they're his problem. Same thing if we got kitchen cabinets or anything like that, they're in boxes, they're your problem. When are they my problem?
When they're installed.
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 So when those windows are in the holes,
yeah.
When the cabinets are hanging on the kitchen walls, they're mine.
Yes.
Refrigerators.
As well as the framing. So the framing went up. It's yours. So the windows go into the framing, right? So all the lumber shows up, still sitting there. It's me. It's mine.
Yep. Put it together.
Put it together.
Stand it up.
Yours.
It's mine.
Right.
I doubt homeowners have any appreciation for when they are responsible for the stuff.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. But I do find that homeowners are concerned when they're going through renovations. They do ask a lot more questions.
Well, that's good.
when they're having, when they're going through this process than they do on a normal basis.
Is there any way as a homeowner I can just call you up and say, give me everything I need, tell me the number? I mean, do I have to go through each one of these things and be like, I want to make sure that when the frame goes up and I own it all of it?
Really, not at all, because it's so specific on what you need as far as coverage. I have people, that want just the basic, but really we need to have a conversation about what kind of assets you have,
I got
what
a
kind
lot.
of home you have.
I got so many
that's
assets.
really that's how we calculate what kind of liability coverage you have.
Okay. As a homeowner, as I'm doing all of these things and I come out the tail end through a successful renovation, whether it's done by Charlie or my own GC, and my house, just went from being worth $500,000 to $700,000, does that automatically get me coverage, or am I now coming back and saying, we got a new place here?
Yeah, you'd have to come back to your agent, talk to them about the the addition that you've just completed. I think if you're doing a major renovation like this building, Charlie could give you a great number and write an estimate for you on what the replacement cost of this building would be. And insurance companies will take professional estimates. Yeah. We could also work up, a replacement cost for you. And you could sit down with your agent and go through that process. Every company has different systems they use, but they're all very similar.
Gotcha. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.